VK Sharma of HDFC Securities, who joins us currently. Hi, Mr. Sharma, thanks so much for joining in this afternoon. What's your reading, particularly of the option space? I was looking at it. During the series, we went even to 1.22 on the in terms of the PCR, and currently we're dwindling towards 0.9. It appears there's aggressive call writing. What's your take?
Yeah, the call writings are getting aggressive, and the calls are currently being written at even 8,400 levels. Okay. And one must also remember that in terms of technically, the market is much weaker than what option writing would suggest. And not only the 200-day moving average is around the current levels of maybe 8297 odd. The 100 and the 50-day as well as the 100-day exponential moving average is also at around 8408, 8397. So whereas the 200-day moving average is around 8,400 odd. So any close below these numbers would definitely make the market weaker. And should what you were I think various people might have discussed, should the level break of 8,300, 38315, then the process of the market making a higher top and higher bottom would also end. So that will be very, very bearish. Till that point of time, we have the market has a breathing space, and I think 8315 is the level that needs to be watched now.
All right, so we'll be watching for that particular mark. But Mr. Sharma, let's get your view on the Bank Nifty then. You know, if I just look at it, the Nifty was at around the 8,400 mark just last month itself on June 25th, if I'm not mistaken. And the Bank Nifty, in fact, has not really been an underperformer or anything on that sort. ICICI Bank, though, that's been the big underperformer. Do you expect the Bank Nifty to correct even more than what the Nifty is likely to correct? And what are the levels that we should look at on the Bank Nifty?
See, I don't watch the Bank Nifty per se. I don't take these intraday calls. But the fact is, my view is that the Bank Nifty, ICICI Bank has a lot of weight, and so therefore it will not allow it to rise as much.
Correct.
But because of the fact that the weaker sections like metals and power and capital goods, they have a higher weightage which are going down. So can relatively make the Bank Nifty perform better than the Nifty per se. But because ICICI is there, so it will hold. It will. I think the capability of Bank Nifty to rise would be that much, let's say, less as compared to the other banks. So I would rather be curious and rather be, let's say, worry about the market should the level of 8315 breaks. Till that point of time, I think the markets are. I don't think we have a reason to worry.
All right, we leave it at that. Thanks very much for joining in. So that's the technical, the word from the F&O end of trade. But we need to take a very quick break on that note. As we do that,